Welcome to an inspiring journey of education and empowerment. At ACC, we believe in the transformative power of inclusive education. Introducing our Specialist Diploma in Teaching and Supporting Children with Special Needs, a comprehensive program designed to equip educators with the skills needed to make a real impact. Our curriculum goes beyond textbooks. It's a roadmap to creating inclusive learning environments where every child's unique abilities are recognized and nurtured. So, what is a Specialist Diploma in Teaching and Supporting Children with Special Needs? The Specialist Diploma in Teaching and Supporting Children with Special Needs will help participants gain insights and understanding about children with special needs such as autism, Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder or ADHD, Attention Deficit Disorder or ADD, Asperger's Disorder, Dyslexia, Language Disorders, Down Syndrome, Obsessive-Compulsive Disorder, Anxiety, Depression, and many more. Besides being suitable for professionals who work with children with special needs, this diploma also caters to parents or caregivers who have no prior experience in managing or caring for children with special needs. The program will be delivered through lectures, group discussions, practical demonstrations, video presentations, practical and experiential exercises, case studies, and role plays. Students will be assessed through written assignments, projects, oral presentations, and videotaped counseling project or examination. There are a total of 4 modules with assignments. Each module consists of 8 sessions with a total of 96 contact hours and a duration of 6 months. To be eligible for admission to the course, applicants must fulfill the following conditions. First, diploma holders in any field. Second, be at least 18 years of age. Third, mature applicants not meeting the admission requirements are invited to apply as the program recognizes relevant life experiences that students bring with them. And fourth, application will be considered on a case-by-case basis. In some circumstances, interview might be needed. The first module will talk about child development, starting with a discussion and introduction to the theories of development, followed by early life and its effect on childhood, physical development, cognitive development and moral development, social-emotional development, psychosexual development, and language development. Module 2 is about developmental disabilities, and the following topics will be discussed. Introduction to Developmental and Learning Disabilities, Autism Spectrum Disorder, Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, Sensory Processing Disorders, Specific Learning Disorders, Speech and Language Disorders, Giftedness and Examination. Module 3 discusses the emotional and behavioral disorders with the following topics: eating disorders in childhood, aggression and conduct behaviors, self-injurious behaviors, childhood depression, anxiety disorders, child abuse and trauma, and childhood schizophrenia. And for the last module, interventions and strategies for support will be taught with the following topics: parents and teachers, expressive therapies, cognitive therapies, behavior therapies, special education class, interventions for specific cases such as autism and ADHD, and interventions for specific cases such as dyslexia and dyscalculia. After the 4 modules, volunteer attachments, which are purely optional, are also available. This is part of ACC's commitment to ensuring that students gain practical knowledge and skills during their course of studies with us. Students must have successfully completed at least 2 out of the 4 modules before they apply for the volunteer attachment slots. Most slots require students to commit once a week for about 3 hours per session. Requirements are contact hours with minimum of 20 hours, 9 non-contact hours, and 5 supervision hours. Students will meet their lecturer for group supervision every 2 to 3 contact hours completed. This will enable them to discuss and reflect on what they have experienced and learned, and how they can become more effective in the subsequent sessions. Do note that students will need to formally submit their application for this attachment to the Student Care Department. If required, students will need to go for interviews with the host organizations. Slots are also subject to availability. Keen to find out more? Send us an email at courses@acc.edu.sg and we will gladly attend to all your queries. Visit us at acc.edu.sg and follow us on our social media accounts. Transform lives with ACC's Specialist Diploma in Teaching and Supporting Children with Special Needs. Because every child deserves an education that embraces their uniqueness.